Bienvenidos. What's up, everyone? Today, we're diving into the fabulous world of Antonia Silva, also known as Antonia Silva, the Latina fitness model taking the industry by storm in 2025. Get ready for a fun-filled ride as we chat about her journey, her killer workouts, and the amazing impact she's making in the fitness community. Antonia's fitness saga kicked off with a fierce passion for bodybuilding. This chica shares her journey on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and YouTube, where she keeps it real with her gym life, lifting routines, and motivational vibes. Talk about #goals. And let's not forget about that fabulous fuel. While we don't have the specifics of her 2025 diet, we can take a wild guess that it's all about high-fiber delights. Think fresh fruits, crunchy veggies, and whole grains that fuel those workouts. Delicioso y saludable. Now, let's talk workouts. Antonia's routine is a spicy mix of strength training and functional fitness. She's smashing goals while focusing on all those major muscle groups, flexibility, and core strength. You can bet her YouTube channel is filled with exciting routines, leg days, back workouts, and so much more. Trust us, you won't want to miss out on any of it. In 2025, Antonia is not only flexing those muscles but also flexing her influencer skills with major endorsements. She's been rocking brand partnerships, like her collab with Team Verano por Siempre. Brands love her, and so do her followers. With her charisma and dedication, she's making waves and landing those sponsorships like a pro. But beyond the glam, Antonia is all about creating a community. She's inspiring countless individuals through her motivational content and inclusive vibe. Who doesn't love feeling supported? Antonia's journey helps uplift others, breaking down barriers and creating a fitness family where everyone can thrive. Antonia Silva is a force to be reckoned with in the fitness world, bringing together beauty, strength, and heart in 2025. She's all about sharing knowledge, lifting each other up, and having fun while we sweat. If you aren't following this powerhouse yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that follow button and get inspired. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more electrifying content. Until next time, keep shining and pushing those limits.